Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, Crafty DIY Guy, and I'm back. I have got a Dollar Tree haul for you today. My Dollar Tree haul is filled with some new stuff, some fun stuff I haven't seen, some stuff I need for some future projects, but I also thought, why not share with you guys some tips and tricks that I use whenever I'm going out on the hunt for Dollar Tree items, and maybe it'll help you guys too. So let's just jump into it, and then along the way I'll just kind of sprinkle some of my own tips and tricks, and we'll see what happens. So first thing I picked up were these hanging galvanized buckets. Now you may have seen these before. I think I even hauled these before because I now have 8 of these, and I grabbed these because I am redoing my deck. That's right out that way, that's why I looked. And I am going to be putting some plants out there because they don't really have any plants out there yet. And I thought that these would be really cute to hang on the railing of my deck. So I grabbed 4 of these. Now, tip number 1, when it comes to anything seasonal, shop early, because this is summer stuff. And when I first found these, I think I bought them probably in February. And I've been patiently waiting for the shelves to get them, you know, since the pandemic, and now that people are starting to go out and about, there are some of the old supplies or some of the boxes of supplies that they're finding in the back that they're putting stuff out again. Or honestly, it could just be restocking. So definitely shop early whenever you're looking for anything seasonal. All right, so I'm going to attempt something boho, and everybody's been asking me about it. So I found these like rag rugs from Dollar Tree. I've used these before. I've made pillows out of them, and they're wonderful pillows, by the way. You just kind of fold it in half, and then you got a cool fringy pillow. But I also grabbed one of these wire baskets, so I'm going to try and do something boho. So we'll see how that goes, because I'm not super confident in the boho department, I'll be honest. All right, I'll give you another tip before I move forward. The other thing that I do is I do not just go to one Dollar Tree. I go to multiple Dollar Trees, and you really have to go to multiple Dollar Trees if you want to find stuff, because the store inventory, for whatever reason, is just not consistent. Not all of the stores carry the same items, or one store might get, 6 cases of an item, but another store only gets 1 case of the item because they're smaller. That happens a lot in retail. Oh look, there's Otis. So tip number 2 is definitely continue and go to as many Dollar Tree stores as you can. So I also go into departments that I wouldn't normally. Hi, buddy. I normally go into departments too that I wouldn't typically go into. Like, for example, I don't have kids except for this furry one right here. And I went into the baby department, and I found some baby bibs, and I thought that was a really cool stripe pattern that could be really cool for something nautical. And then I found this pattern, which was a camo, and this is actually a pet bandana. And I thought, I'm trying it now for the first time, but I thought maybe, because it is a bandana that I'm destroying, maybe I could use it like this for me. So, I don't know, it's kind of small. Maybe I'll give it to Otis. Here, buddy. Nope. He ran under the chair. And then this was another baby bib that I found because I like the fabric. This is more like a kind of like a terry cloth. The striped one is more like a kind of like for spit up and stuff. You can tell like it would clean up really easy. So who knows? The other thing I grabbed were these little wood crates. I love these crates. I use these for a lot of different projects. And so I grabbed 3 of that kind, but then I also grabbed these other ones. And I'm so glad that I did these because, oh, actually, sorry. I actually grabbed 4 of those little crates. I grabbed 3 of these though. These are the larger crates that kind of look like a crate, but they have the solid bottom to them. And I don't know if you guys follow J Money DIY or not, but J Money DIY is doing a very cool project right now with these, and she turned these into sunglass holders, and I think they look really, really cool like that. So Jay, I'll probably be making these myself and doing that with those. So those are super cool. Otis is scratching on his cat condo, by the way. So if you hear that in the background, that's what's going on. I was trying to snap at him to get him to stop it, but he's being a cat, and this is his room too. So these wood cutouts, if you saw my nautical DIY wood cutout, then you know that I recently used the ship's wheel, but they had this great sailboat, and there's 2 sailboats in there, and then the great anchor that I was going to do some more nautical DIYs, but I think I'm gonna put those on the back burner for right now. And so those are available. And then this little cute wooden sailboat, it's kind of like one of those kits where you put it together yourself. I was going to do something with this again, but I think the nautical DIYs are done for a little while. And I don't know, maybe I'll do I do want to do like a summer wreath, so maybe I'll put that boat on the summer wreath. Who knows? What else is there? Oh, wood letters. Anytime I find these wood letters, I always grab a couple packages of these because these are super easy. If you're not good at painting letters, like I'm not, or good at stenciling, which I'm not, I will grab those all the time. I'm trying to move fast too, so I don't ramble too much. Backsplash for the wall. I found this one that kind of looks like that hexagon tile. And what I really liked about this is because it's that black and white charcoal, I honestly thought this could be really great in the bottom of a tray or something, and or maybe even for a mirror. So I only bought 1 package of those. And that was actually the only package that was available. The other thing I bought, I loved these giant jumbo stickers. I just thought that they were so cool and very kind of farmhousey vibe, and they're definitely very pretty. I like the larger ones versus the smaller ones, but I think I'm going to use these in a DIY project. My kitchen, or not my kitchen, my dining room has a lot of navy accents in there, so maybe in there, I don't know. Also, they could go in my guest bedroom, so we'll see there. I love these brackets, and every time I see them, I grab them again, but these little like great brackets that you can find at Dollar Tree. What I like about them too is that they also come with the screws and the anchors that you can very easily put them on the wall. And I've done them like this before, where they're flat against the wall, you know, kind of like that. And then I've done them like that. This is actually the way that they're supposed to be hanging on your wall. Like your wall is here, because you can tell because the holes are there. There are no holes there, unless you have a drill. And if you have a drill, you can put some holes in there and use them this way. So that was something I grabbed. Again, utility, something, you know, anytime I see those, I'll grab them. I usually end up using them. I bought one of these Frisbees. I had bought a couple of these, and then I gave them away to somebody. So I needed to replenish them. A bubble face mask. I just love these. It's really random, I know, but they just feel really good on my skin. And when it's all yucky and humid and gross, I don't know where you live, but I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, and we have had so much nasty humidity, and it's been gross. So ping pong balls, I am using those like crazy. Have some cool projects coming up for those. I thought these were so cute, so I found this one first. This is just a like a magnetic hook that you'd put like on a you know, a metal board or something. But look, it's got a little pom-pom on it. Like, how cute is that? And you can see the little hook there. So that will be going on my board that is behind me on my workstation, because it's fun. And then they had some pom-pom magnets, and it was a 3-pack, and these are just the magnets. But again, how cute are those? Put those over there on the board. I thought these were really cute, and honestly, I may end up putting one of these around the tool board. It's getting really busy and crazy though, so we'll see, maybe TBD. I also thought about doing a very fun and almost like summer tacky wreath or something, and these little flamingo string lights are super adorable. Look how cute they are. And I thought that these could be really fun for something. And what else did I get? What else? Oh, I grabbed 2 of these square framed art. This ostrich, no reason. And this wine one, no reason. The reason why I did grab these though is because I want to use the canvas. I didn't have a square canvas yet. And so I grabbed this just so I could take the canvas out of there and then use the frame. So more to come there. I found some red floral wire, which I hadn't seen before. So I grabbed that for my toolbox. Got some fun stuff coming. You've seen the hair beads, the dark wood ones. They come in like a 20 pack, I think. Well, I found also some silver ones. These only come in an 8 pack. The hole is pretty generous, but what I also liked about these is that they're really heavy. You can tell they're really good quality, and there's only 8 per package, so I did grab 2 of those. Again, for tassels and fun stuff like that. I thought these were super cute. These are food tents, like you'd put out on the, when you're having a cookout and you want to put these on your over your food to protect them from mosquitoes. So I bought 3 of those because I can put those on the food outside, and that green color sorta goes with the patio stuff. So more to come there. I found these really cute, well, honestly, they're not cute. They're kind of ugly. But I bought them because, again, I want to use the frame. But these little succulent containers, they're like little wood plaques. But honestly, like, I mean, they're kind of ugly. They're not even really cute. They're just they're like really ugly. They're ugly. But as you can see, you can pop the succulent out really well. And then I'm thinking this is going to be a good base for a project idea I have. I was thinking of creating a sconce of some kind and needed something like this. So more to come there, working on those. The snakes. This is the wood snake. If you saw my beach DIY stuff, you saw that I did a little mirror with this guy. I did some handles on some trays, and then the snakes were gone. And I had snake buyer's regret because buyer's remorse because I didn't buy more of the snakes. And then when I went back, they had actually just restocked them, and they had probably like 15 of these, but I only grabbed 2. So again, super fun, very versatile, easy to work with. And so that was that. I'm working on a project right now, and I needed some picture frames for it, so I bought these small 3.5 by 5. I bought a tarp. These are always good to use if you're painting something big, especially inside. What's great about this tarp too is it's actually a decent size. It's 4 feet by 6 feet, so it's a decent size, especially if you're going to work on something indoors. Bought some zip ties for another project. This is truly just for me, and it's just a shaving brush because clearly I need to go and shave very soon. I'll just put that up there. Tapper candles. I don't think I've seen like real tapper candles at Dollar Tree before. I've seen the battery operated ones, which actually work really well. And I've seen the little emergency lights that look like tapper candles. Those are great, by the way. But I haven't seen actual wax tapper candles, so I bought a 2-pack of those. I bought a door hanger. I thought it would be fun to do something with I was going to do it originally for July 4th, but I think my July 4th window is past for crafting anyway. Speaking of July 4th, I did buy a bunch of patriotic stuff. They had mesh ribbon. I bought one of these star kind of banner things. I bought a couple of those. And then some of these red, white, and blue puffy stars. But then I think I sat on them too long, and I haven't done anything with them. And then these ballpoint pens, just because I thought they'd be cute on the desk. So I kind of think I've ran out of my patriotic window. Another item for the desk, I'm going to have so much clutter on the desk that I'm not going to be able to create anything. But look, it's a little balloon doggy. How cute is that? I want a dog, but since I have Mr. Otis, I have to, this is the kind of dog that I will have. Because Mr. Otis is the only one. Right, buddy? He's looking so cute right now. Oh my gosh. Picture frame, just thought it was kind of pretty, honestly. I thought it was different, and I think it'll look really good in the guest bedroom. So that is that. I found an adjustable over the door cabinet towel bar. And what I liked about it is it expands out. So the see how it expands out or it shrinks. So I originally thought maybe I would put it on the cabinet door in the kitchen, but now I may actually put it behind the door in the bathroom. So more to come there. This is totally a food item, but I love them. And they sell out really quickly for whatever reason, but that's these peanut butter cookie mixes. You literally add water and vegetable oil. Done. So those are fun for movie nights. I grabbed 2 rolls of this wood grain contact paper. Since my work surface is so dark, I think I'm gonna put this on it just so it's a little easier for you guys to see projects. So that's that. Almost done actually. Some canvases. These are the 6x8 size canvas. I like playing around with those. Also, I like using the frames for stuff. I found 2 more of these Dollar Tree trays. They're kind of built just like the chargers are from Dollar Tree. And, you know, you've got the raised kind of beaded edge. But I bought 2 more of those because I have some projects in mind for those. The moss sheets. I had a project in mind, and then I screwed up my moss sheets, so I've been waiting. And now that I have more moss sheets, I'll probably end up doing a project soon. And I thought it was over there. I don't know. Oh, I put it on the desk. Never mind. I like to have notebooks around because I like to jot down just stuff if I have an idea or something. And I just thought it was pretty because it's sparkly and it's blue. So onto the desk that one goes. And then for summer, again, for the wreath idea I have a couple different ideas for this, but just found a very cool little surfboard. That could be a fun wreath item. And then 2 more things. Some of these galvanized kind of metal signs. I want to do something with this side of them, and I think I want to spell out like summer or beach or something like that and put this outside. So we'll see, we'll see how those go. And then this was cool. So this is like a, it's a retractable holder that Crafter Square is selling. And what I liked about this is that it's retractable. And it holds brushes or pens, colored pencils. You could really do anything in it. And what's cool about it is that it expands. So it can really extend up to 14.5 inches. That's probably not 14.5 inches, but you know what I mean. And it's cool. So like if you travel a lot, or maybe, I mean, look at that. It's even got this cool like handle on it. But if you're traveling a lot, or maybe even you're just wanting to keep your, oh yeah, this is cool. Oh, it just twists. All right, check that out. This is actually fun. So see how that's kind of ribbed right there? And then this side also has the kind of same ribbing there. And then what happens is they connect when you screw it together. And it can literally be, like I'm pulling on it right now and it's not falling apart. Like you could carry really tall brushes in there. And, or you could just carry smaller things in there too. I love this, and I don't have a need for this, so I'm actually giving it to my sister because she paints a lot. And I think this could be fun for her paintbrushes and stuff. So, all right, that's my haul. I hope you guys liked it. I know it wasn't, you know, a bunch of like, ooh, brand new crazy stuff, but it's definitely some stuff that you need. And I am going to be working on some new projects, and I should have a new video out, gosh, hopefully on Saturday. So more to come then. All right, guys, take care. Bye.